Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you why you should never, ever, 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 I mean, never, ever, ever, ever pull fire alarms. Ever. It is not smart, it is not funny, and it can get you into a lot of trouble. So don't ever do it. I seen this happen before where people will walk up to fire alarms and pull them like that. And it's not funny. If you pull them, you might be responsible for a panic. Think of that too. In my school, if you pull the fire alarm when there's not a fire, that can lead to expulsion. So this is why you don't ever pull the fire alarm unless there is a real fire. Only pull it if you see a fire. If you see a fire, you can do this. Never do it when there is no fire. Only pull it if you see a fire. If you have permission to do it during a fire drill at school, you can pull it. Or if you have permission to test the fire alarm system, you can pull it. Or if you have your own fire alarm, you can pull it. But the bottom line is don't pull fire alarms in a public building unless there's a real fire. So what do I mean by that is when you're in a public building and you go up to a fire alarm just to pull it, you don't ever do it. You don't ever pull fire alarms for fun, or else you're going to have to face the consequences. I hope this teaches you a lesson that you cannot be pulling fire alarms in public buildings unless there is a real emergency. Bye.